So given Davy has a passionate fear of flying, it's all the more remarkable that he chose to fly not once, not twice, to Iceland so he could propose to Taryn.
Taryn once WhatsApped me when she was on a holiday in Iceland a couple of years ago. She told me that she had some news. Now, I'm a bit traditional, so I obviously knew what it was. She was on holiday with her partner and told her she had news. Taryn's voice on this phone call was full of glee and excitement, and it was at that point that I knew that Martin was the love of her life and that their beautiful relationship was going to be forever. And I couldn't be more thrilled for them both.
So despite his passionate hatred of flying and leaving Bristol, his passion for Taryn well and truly outweighed his fear of flying.
Marriage is a commitment to life, in which people can find and bring out the best in each other. Marriage is a promise which you have both taken, and has been made in the hearts of two people who love one another.
I fell in love with you, Taryn, my beautiful bride, because...
Wife.
Well, I suppose wife now, yeah, okay. Technicalities. Absolutely beautiful. Intelligent, creative, funny, trustworthy, fun to be around, thoughtful, and I really can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Oh, stop it. Have a toast to that. Have a toast to that. I'd like to thank everyone here for coming and spending our wonderful day with us. How beautiful was it?
Martin, thank you so much for loving Taryn the way she deserves, and welcoming her, both her immediate and extended family into yours.
It is my privilege to declare that you are now legally married and you may kiss your bride.
Love you.
Very good.
We got married.
You look amazing.
Do I?
Yeah.
You do.
Thanks.
Please carry on, feel free.